Are you feeding your reptile the right greens? There's one superfood that is packed with nutrients, boosts digestion, and keeps your reptile thriving. But the thing is that it's overlooked by so many reptile owners. Today, we're gonna uncover that secret mystery microgreen and how you can grow it right at home in 7 days. Hello, I'm Connor Hebel with Reptile Microgreens, Jurassic Greens, and today I'm here at Roatan with my new little friend at Arches Iguana Reserve. So before we get started, here's the thing. Not all greens are healthy for your reptile. In fact, some of them can harm your reptile and their health. So stick around to the end because there's a secret tip that you'll want to know about that will change your reptile's eating forever. So let's reveal this mystery microgreen that I've been talking about. Today, we are talking about Endive microgreens and why Endive is so important for your reptiles, your omnivorous reptiles in particular, such as iguanas, blue-tongued skinks, turtles, and bearded dragons. It's because it's packed with vitamins A and K, as well as it's packed with fiber, and it's really great for hydration. So Endive contains natural probiotics that is really great for your reptile's health, and it enhances the nutrition in your reptile's diet. And let's talk about nutrition. When you go to the store and you get store-bought produce, it's been shipped weeks, maybe months before you get it, significantly reduced in your vegetables content for your reptile, as well as who knows what's been put on it. When you have microgreens that you've grown at home, you know they're clean, they're pesticide-free, and they're 40% more nutrient dense than your mature vegetables. So microgreens are the way to grow when it comes to reptiles' health. As you can tell, reptiles who eat fresh produce that doesn't come from a store are really healthy and happy too. So now leave a comment if you've ever given your reptile Endive microgreens or Endive in general. If so, what was the reaction from your reptile? I know all of them are a little different. Some are really picky, some will eat anything. I was fortunate my bearded dragon eats everything. So remember how I told you there were some vegetables that can really harm your reptile? They're coming up in just a moment, so stay tuned. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit the like and subscribe so you learn more about reptile microgreens and give your reptile even better health. And if you're ready to go even deeper into your reptile's health, text Reptile to 26786. That's Reptile to 26786. You'll learn how to give your reptile even better health in just 7 days. Let's go even deeper into the benefits of Endive microgreens. Endive microgreens are really good for your reptile's hydration since they have water in the leaves. And a little bonus tip here, mist some water on top of the leaves so that your reptile gets even more hydration in the day. And Endive microgreens also are high in fiber, which is really great for your reptile's health and having smooth movements, if you know what I mean. Fiber is excellent for your reptiles and they all need it. Another thing is Endive microgreens help support a strong immune system, which is really important to keep your reptiles happy and healthy. Here are some examples of bad vegetables to give your reptiles. The first one is iceberg lettuce. It does not contain the proper nutrients and health benefits that your reptiles need. And the second one is spinach, which blocks calcium absorption, which can cause harm on your reptile's bone. And the third one is rhubarb, which is toxic to your reptiles. Have you ever grown microgreens for your reptile? Check out my Facebook page, which is linked below, and be sure to share your reptile's expression and reaction. I'd love to see it, and I love to hear all your amazing stories about your reptiles. And then be sure to text Reptiles to 26786. That's Reptiles to 26786 for a free microgreen master course for your reptiles. I've been growing microgreens for 14 years, and I'm excited to share the things that I wish I knew when I started giving my reptile microgreens. So if you've enjoyed this video so far, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you there. As always, stay awesome.